Too many projects, too little time. You're overworked, underpaid, and constantly putting out fires. Sound familiar? Most video creators think working harder is the answer. More projects, more clients, more hustle. And that's the trap. If you feel stuck, overwhelmed, and like there's never enough time, you don't have a time problem, you have a system problem. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix it. But before we dive in, if you're tired of working nonstop and want to earn more while doing less, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's the number one thing eating up your time right now? Let's talk. Okay, let's dive into why you feel overwhelmed. Most video creators try to do everything themselves, from shooting to editing to client management. And it feels like the only way to grow is to work more hours. But the truth? You don't have a time problem, you have a system problem. If you're not delegating, automating, or structuring your work efficiently, you'll stay stuck in the hustle, grinding 60-hour weeks just to keep up. Let's be real, burnout is not a business strategy. But here's the good news. Fixing this doesn't require hiring a massive team or spending money you don't have. You just need a system. And I've got a simple 3-step process to help you reclaim your time, raise your rates, and actually enjoy your work again. Number 1, automate repetitive tasks. Instead of manually responding to the same emails or setting up contracts every time, use templates and automation tools like Honeybook, Notion, or Calendly. Set up email templates, invoice automations, and standard workflows so your process runs smoother and faster. Number 2, systemize your editing workflow. Use color-coded folders, template sequences, and AI-assisted editing tools to save time on every project. Create a repeatable system where every new project follows the same structure, eliminating wasted time searching for files or redoing basic edits. Number 3, know when to delegate. If you're spending 20+ hours editing per project, consider hiring an assistant editor for repetitive tasks like organizing footage or color correction. Outsource lower value tasks so you can focus on client relationships, storytelling, and creative work that moves the needle. I get it, handing off work can feel risky, but let me tell you, the biggest breakthroughs happen when you stop doing everything yourself and start focusing on the high-value work only you can do. So what's the next step? You don't have to overhaul your business overnight, but you do have to start. Pick one of these 3 areas and take action today. Let me give you 3 paths to success. Number 1, get started for free with my workshop. If you're tired of feeling overwhelmed, my free workshop walks you through the exact steps to streamline your video workflow, cut wasted time, and take back control of your creative business. Click the link below and start watching right now. Number 2, go deeper with my master course. Want to completely transform how you work? My Start with Story, End with Wow master course gives you the full system to simplify your creative workflow, raise your rates, and land better projects. Number 3, fast track your success with my one-on-one coaching. Need personalized help figuring out where you're wasting time and how to fix it? Book a one-on-one coaching session, and I'll help you build a system that works just for you, so you can scale your business without burning out. You can click on the link below to choose the path that fits where you're at right now. No matter what, the goal is simple: work smarter, earn more, love what you do. You ready for the takeaway? The most successful video creators don't just work harder, they work smarter. They design a system that lets them focus on their best work while everything else runs smoothly. That's the difference between feeling overwhelmed and actually building a business you love. Thanks for watching.